Bogdan Production presenting news and stories from the Untied Kingdom. Deputy Prime Minister John Prescott has defended the women's right of Muslims to wear the veils which covering their faces. It comes after House of Commons leader Jack Straw sparked a row by saying he speak to Muslim women to take off the veils at his constituency surgery. Mr. Prescott told the BBC he would not ask a woman to remove her veil, adding, "If woman wants to wear a veil, why shouldn't she? It's her choice." But he said he welcomed the proper debate caused by Mr. Straw's remarks. Mr. Straw said on Friday he did not want to be perspective, but he believed that covering people's faces could make community relations more difficult. Mr. Prescott, who was interviewed on BBC One's Sunday AM program, said there should never be no-go areas for debate. He adding that his colleagues was better placed than anyone else in the cabinets to discuss these issues. The larger number of Muslims in the Blackburn constituency, the Prime Minister Deputy has understood of separatists. Thank you very much. Next news story followed 5 minutes.